Is there any vocals on it or is it
Yeah.
instrumentals? Yeah.
It's just, the build up just adds to it, bro. You know what it feels like? It feels like one of them rooftop moments. Balcony moments.
Yeah, that's for sure. It feels like.
Vanilla smelling shorties.
Let me hear this.
Alright, chill out.
Yeah, listen. Yeah.
She's lotioning me.
Yeah, she is. This is why I like these tunes. It's like so soulful, like the way they.
Bro, when you hear the chorus, it changes up.
Oh,
Not
yeah.
best, but it's kind.
Yeah, man. You telling them?
Outside, we're gonna be even more outside.
Yeah, she's so scary.
How much it costs me to be so lovely.
Have you seen that movie? There's a movie, a black guy, he orders a wife.
Yes,
He orders a wife.
but I haven't watched it. But
I
I've seen
haven't
the
watched
clip.
it. Yeah. We better get it. There's iced tea as well. Sign up.
Hey, what's the menu though?
On the
Basically,
QR code.
she
Oh, you
said
got to
scan with the QR code or go to the bar.
You were mesmerized by it, yeah.
I can't lie. So was I. Not that one, but I'm mesmerised by it. Yeah, I talk to him every day. We've built a connection. Intellectual love.
Male or female?
Intellectual love.
Does that matter?
Super corny.
Sorry.
Super corny.
Yeah, trust me.
Pay my
Upstairs,
bill. Diner.
What table are we?
27. No, 427. Don't look. Hey, let's go Valle de Lobo.
I would, you know. Sorry,
274. Yeah, shout out him.
safety reasons.
Yeah, I haven't ordered nothing yet. I'm trying to look at the menu, cuz. Like,
Alright, let me pay my bill.
talking about paying my bill. I ain't even seen the menu yet, cuz. Order and pay.
Well, I'm ordering and paying, man. You don't know about that. Hey, you know there's a menu here, you know.
Ah,
Aye, wait, hold on, let me see it first. I can join it now.
sure. Would love that.
Aye, they got
I didn't ask.
oh, good.
Thank you so much.
Me as well, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate that.
Appreciate you.
Yeah. How do you feel?
On the buy as well, yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
How do you feel, Kojo? Who you got?
I'm very glad that we can all experience this together. That's how I feel. Well, you were expecting something more cynical and solo.
No, because
Be
you took that
honest.
off me. Hey, I was only like 2 minutes.
I want to meet the Georgia Smith on this trip.
Baby.
Several
Baby.
Guys, we have touched down.
Where have you been? Answer this question. Where have you been to get that spot on the corner of your mouth?
Gee, don't. Hey! Don't get mad.
Why are you glazing him? Why are you glazing him?
Glazing's for donuts.
Yeah, exactly. So you're a
I don't do
donut,
that.
basically.
Glazing's for windows.
Where'd you get that spot from?
Who gave it to you?
Someone, innit?
How'd she do it? How'd he do it?
I'm not like you.
You dirty boy.
Everyone's like you still.
Come on now. Hey, you know you can't leave me hanging.
Kojo, if you spud me, it means you submit to me. I'm your daddy from now on.
Okay, fair enough. You have to say
Yeah?
It like, you have to say it like the Shrek. You're an daddy. Do the rock. Thank you, daddy.
Yeah? Are you my son? Yeah? Alright, let's go greet the men then, Pezzy.
Are they here, bro?
Are they here? Mate, like, how long has it been? Hey, we do.
Hey, these guys getting leery.
Hey, Dookie.
Gee, I have to apologize.
Yeah, he has to. Because he's under my command.
Never outshine the master.
Rule number 10. Never over laugh at your Yeah, dripper. Hey, what? Tell them, like, what you got on? Like, what you got on the fit? Like, yeah.
A new era hat,
Okay.
called Denim Puffer.
Yeah.
champion jumper.
Got you.
Can't lie, we got the formal wear in there, got the shirt in there.
Oh, she's got the shirt. You got the shirt in there.
Black one.
Colour.
Joggers, you know,
Oh, in the
Pirates. Stay fire,
Jordans.
fire. We stay J'd up, no say.
Yeah. Stay J'd up, man. You're the only one that's really worth doing a fit check. Maybe Coach.
I saw right through. Nothing can stop you when you don't love you.
What are you telling me, cousin?
What?
RS3, cousin?
What's on the agenda?
Just in this cafe right now.
Right.
My view is a bit mad. You see ass.
Ass.
Yeah. I like our view is crazy. Yep.
Oh.
We needed the most. Nah, I don't want to see this.
That was a bit wild.
It's the statue.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm saying. That's what I was thinking as well.
It's the statue. It's just right there, man. It's in my face.
Insurance there and send us the insurance documents within 14 days. You're right there.
Continue, Coach. Sorry, I didn't expect him to say.
Yeah. But anyways, and then he goes, yeah. So charge him the full shebang.
Not bad, but like, bro. Feeling
And then his wife throughout the whole thing, she's just going, she's like, thank you. She's like this, yeah. I'm like, don't worry, it's okay. And then I was literally just pinged it over to my contact.
Buffalo.
First gym session of the trek.
Yeah, guys. First gym sesh. About to get pumping. They're not.
Vloggy 4K.
Thanks. This guy is day 2. Feels like we've been here for like a week.
Today's gonna be an interesting one though.
Why? Why interesting?
Because we're going on a pub crawl.
Oh yeah, we're in a pub crawl. But I feel like we've already kind of done a pub. Shorty.
G. What we're gonna do here?
Ooh, see! That shit looks. Oh, shit.
I'm gonna have
But you have to peep the name though.
You can have a sip of my
You
drink.
have to peep the name though.
Oh, I just looked how you said it.
Change, hope them away won't be the same. Not like it was.
Yeah, guys, we just landed in Monakisi. Monakisi got the old money fit on. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm feeling different. We got Zane boy here. Oh,
Had to catch a little bit of the flips and shit.
yes. Zane,
Yo,
how we feeling though?
we're feeling good. Life is good. The sun is shining. The weather is sweet.
Life is Gucci right now. Them man them are moving like old money, fam.
I'm not trying to do the basic one.
Yeah, trust.
Always has been and always will.
So it's like a favela, no?
Yeah. There's bare levels in this joint, like. That's what Savah was telling us yesterday. Sabah? Oh, is that his name, Savaj? Algerian. The one serving us yesterday. Sabah, yeah. Sorry, we're at the racetrack now, guys. At the racetrack. Huh? Richer. Yeah, guys,
I need a song for this one.
we're literally on the F1 racetrack. About to wait. Let me show them the cigar.
Lewis Hamilton.
One little cigar. Oh, the Monicas are here already. Hey, that's a wham. Dylan, you wanna be in the vlog? Tell them I'm fine. Yes.
Hey, Sam's tired though.
Let's see.
Say swear, bro.
Change